y'all, COWGIE'S. So, as you can see, I have slime. And today, we are going to be putting pom-poms. Alright, so my dad is cleaning off the slime from the mats. I had to accident use it. We'll talk about that later. Okay. Here it goes. Down there. Woo! This slime is so amazing. Yeah. So anyways, I got it for my birthday party. Obviously, it was kind of like a birthday present. So, thank you, Addison, if you are watching this video right now. Okay, so they should be all mixed in like that. Okay, so now I got all of them put in, and now time for the third handful. So we only have about we only have 9 left. We only have 9. And so, let's mix the second to last handful. Yeah, I know you guys are probably thinking, why purple slime? Well, purple slime, I like the color purple. Ooh, Daddy. I was like this with my slime. We could show it to all the viewers. Here's purple pom-pom. Alright, last but not least, but certainly not least, nine more pom-poms. Dad, can we use some of these pom-poms for stuff? Did you?
For what, Eva?
Like we could make like an ice cream cone.
Not tonight. We can use them for art some other time.
So can I save them? Few of them? Daddy?
So you don't want to use all of them in there? You want to save some?
Yeah.
Do what you want with them.
Yeah, I'm just gonna put them in the slime, guys.
We need to finish these though. Don't have such a long video.
I know, I'm
Get
not.
one olive one. It's the last one.
Alright.
Oh, same thing happened with that, huh? Told you not to get on any cloth, and there you go again.
Bye, y'all, COWGIE'S.